It's about to be my time, yeah. Damn. It's about to be my time, yeah. Damn. It's about to be my yeah. Shit. It's about damn time, damn.
Hi, I'm Sunny.
Hi, I'm Geketo.
Hi, I'm Icy.
Hi, I'm Chanel.
Hi, I'm Miley.
Hi, I'm Joelle.
Hey, I'm Nzinga.
Hey, I'm Chris.
Ooh, nice. How much does y'all's maintenance week cost?
A good 3K.
3K.
Yeah.
Yo.
Because like I have to like buy a frontal, get my nails done, install it, get my lashes. So yeah, 3K.
Damn.
Damn. Listen real quick.
I would say around 1.5, 2,000.
Yeah.
Because I get a full body wax, I get my hair done, and then I buy all of my skincare because I do it at home, so that costs a lot of money. So yeah, 1.5, 2,000. That's it.
Hectic.
I don't know. I'd say like from let's say 1.8 to like 2.1 maybe, depending on how I get my hair done. But yeah, that's like for my hands, my toes, my lashes, like yeah.
I'm a DIY girly, so I do a lot of things myself. But except for my hair, really, except for my hair, my nails. So I'd probably say like 1.5 at least.
I'd say 2K. Yeah, depending on what hairstyle I'm doing as well. But at most 2K, nothing more or less. Yeah.
I'm a DIY girly too, high key. So I do my lashes. I used to do my hair, but like I don't think my hair counts no more for real. I don't got hair anymore. but I'd say in brands.
In rands. Did you hear that? In
Like,
rands.
Like okay, 1.5 depending on the nail design. Yeah. But sometimes I don't even do my nails, so maybe even like just 800 for it.
I'd say like 2.5 on average because most of the time I have wigs throughout the year. So if I'm not buying a new wig, I need to get them installed consistently, so that counts. And then I do my lashes every month, so that also counts. Nails and toes as well. And also just counting transport to and from these places. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's
I
part
was
of
like that.
Yeah. So yeah,
I hate
2.5.
spending money on Uber.
You talking?
I'm a learner. I'm in process. I think mine costs like if you had to count Ubers, maybe like 1.5, bro. Like maybe nails. I don't do my nails all the time. Hair, I usually do my own hair. If I have to do my hair, like around there, like around 1.5. It's so much, but I also do my own lashes. Also like dyeing my hair. I like dyeing my hair like every 3 to 6 months. So I also count that maybe sometimes. But like let's say 1.5 there. If I had to include everything, if I'm doing it day and day, yeah.
Damn.
Expensive girls.
For real. What's your least favorite thing about being a honey here in South Africa?
South Africa, safety.
Yeah.
The safety
Yeah.
here is insane.
Trafficking and everything.
Yeah.
Men don't know how to hold themselves. Like,
Yeah.
like okay, I hear the compliment, keep it pushing after that. Just
Yeah.
keep on walking. You don't need to do too much after that.
Now you want that.
That's not a gate for you to like say, nah, let's go out and to dinner and whatever. Nah, dog. Unless you're not gonna Chinese, I don't know about that.
The minute you tell a man no, he's attacking you verbally, he's calling you all the names in the book. Like, I hate that. I hate that we can't feel comfortable around a lot of men in this country. It's really just like the downside of being a woman here. And low-key, the way women are so mean to each other, it's very rare to find a good friendship group of girls who are like true and really want to be there for you. Because women out here, they will stomp on you to get to the next level. That's, yeah. So I don't like that competition. There's no need for it.
So everybody got the same answer for it.
Yes.
What do you think is the worst thing about gents in SA? Minus what we just spoke about.
Entitlement. Entitlement.
It's this nigga.
they don't know how to take no for an answer, dude. Like, and it's not even to say like, oh, now you're like harassing me, following me around. If I say no the first time, why are you trying to convince me?
When they say, guys, they always need their boys' approval.
Real stuff. Real.
Yeah. Temper yourself. Trust in yourself.
Yeah. I think besides like the entitlement with guys pursuing you, I think even when you're with a guy or even with your friends, like there's just a lot of expectations that they expect you to uphold, which they feel like they're entitled to because they are men. So that's a bit crazy.
Yeah, no.
And they're also very misogynistic and
sexist,
especially on Twitter.
Absolutely.
South
African Twitter. Crazy.
Yo, get munched down there.
Bro, I just saw someone post like this girl, she's wearing like a cute short dress. She's going to the club. And this guy's like, I'd never let my woman go to a club like that. Next thing you know, there's a video of her being bent over in the bathroom. How did we get there?
Sexualizing.
Yeah. Even in like swimwear, it's like, what are we supposed to wear? It's a swimwear.
Exactly.
It's a bikini. I'm supposed to dress like this. So what are you expecting?
That's also another thing in this country. You have to sometimes be conscious about what you wear. And you don't want to do that. Because like, sometimes, like you're revealing stuff, but it's like, you have to know where and when.
Time and place.
And with who you're around as well.
Unfortunately. Also men that are rape apologists.
Oh my god!
And like it's your favorite celebrities, guys. That's
they're not even celebrities, bro.
Yes.
Do y'all think South Africa has celebrities, bro?
No.
We can easily get access to them, so it's like...
Okay,
I don't think they have celebrities. We don't even have paparazzi here. Like, we'll just watch you walk past.
True. Like a good part of it, say like, you're just a normal person.
You are.
Okay, what's something y'all like about the Hansen essay?
Oh, they pretty.
Fashion.
They look good.
Yo, gorgeous. Top 10. See, like face on point. Like, you can never go wrong.
And like, some of them are like really nice people. Some not so much.
Always the girls in the bathroom who are like, are you okay? Did you drink water? Do you need lip gloss? Love them down. They always look out, love those girls.
But I also need them to act like that sober.
True.
What do y'all think is the most overrated thing done by hands in essay, girls in essay?
I don't know, BBLs.
I don't think they need it.
Exactly.
I feel like it's a bit of
I feel like
it is boy based though. Majority of the things that they do that is overrated is boy based.
Yeah, for real.
One thing that I don't
male
think is male validation. I just don't like it personally. I don't like the bubble skirts. But
listen to this one.
No, hear me out. I think bubble skirts are for like curvy girls, so then it actually makes a bubble. If you're not so like curvy, then it just looks like you're wearing a diaper.
Damn. Like that.
Certain clothes are for like certain body types. So it's like
I think that's the thing about like fashion or certain things, like some I don't want to say only essay girlies, but like people need to learn how to dress for their body types. Not everything that you're gonna see on the internet or like that's a trend is gonna be for you. That's the thing.
It's like when you see girls without BBLs wearing like BBL fashion.
Deep sigh. Have y'all ever been done dirty by a shawty?
Buddy, don't get me started. Do not get me started.
You don't want to go down there.
Which one do you even tell?
Which one?
Amen.
Secret competition is a thing.
They don't even make it secret anymore.
They do have a chest now, so but it's sad because usually you think people are genuine and then you find out people have different intentions. So that kind of hurts. I think friendship breakups hurt way more than relationship breakups.
Because you pour yourself into someone and you just feel like you wasted all that time and effort and energy.
You feel like you lost the sister, bro.
And that shit hurts.
And also I've noticed like when girls have like friendship breakups, like a lot of them don't want to talk about it, and it's like
I understand.
no,
Nah,
it's
that
like
is a problem.
can you like talk about it?
What part of the story do
what if it's like,
Yeah, but then you
I
have to
don't
let
even
me
know
know.
how we got
You have to
there.
tell me what I did then, so I
For
can
Exactly.
Don't just ghost me and expect me
So I can
to
either
like.
correct it for you or maybe for someone else in the future if
True.
you and I aren't friends
True.
anymore.
Yeah.
You must at least like tell me
Or
still.
simply apologize, like.
I think it's a thing that other people believe people know what they're doing, so I don't
And
need
it's
to
like-
tell you
Yeah,
that you
and-
did me wrong or how you moved. I can simply distance myself, and then other people may feel like, okay, a conversation is needed, but people, I guess, deal with things differently. And if they very much believe in that moment that you know what you did, then there's no conversation that needs to be had.
especially if I've been trying to address the situation with you, and then it just gets to a point where I'm like, you know what, I'm done, because I've been trying to tell you that this is the problem. Can we please work on it? But you just being ignorant.
pointless.
So it's like, you know what, it's fine. We old enough now.
Because like guys, at what point are you gonna be avoidant? At what point? And sometimes it's just like suck it up, grow up, and talk about it. If you wanna talk about it, just walk. Don't be mad. Don't be bitter. Now telling people, nah, she did this. She should have thought that. Why,
And
guys?
bouncing for
Why you
why?
guys?
I feel like it's okay to not say something because, like, I mean, some people are just not emotionally intelligent. You can tell them 500 times, but they still won't get it. So it's okay to just and I think like you really only see it when you have like conflict and stuff. So it's like,
But that's like the possible relationship with anyone. Like you just have to go into it. Sometimes you won't even know these things until it happens.
yeah.
Because you meet them where you're at, and then you grow, and then if they haven't grown, you pass them, and conflict arises, and then you see, oh, this person actually isn't the person I thought they were. Because that's because you've grown. That's the only,
Down.
We meet them where we at.
yes, exactly.
On a lighter note, what's something y'all enjoy doing as a Han and SM? Or just enjoy in general?
Pretty privilege.
Yes.
Pretty privilege is real. Yo.
I can't lie.
Yeah.
And it can get you everywhere.
For
honestly.
real.
Sad reality, but
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's sad because, you know, other people are kind of disadvantaged. by
Yeah.
it, But, like, personally, personally. But I think another thing, like, just about being South African in general, not like just being a Han. Like, I think South African people are just very funny. Like,
But
it's
make
just,
a joke out of
it's just
everything.
exactly, it's just funny being South African, understanding the context and all that stuff. Yeah.
Very light-hearted place.
Yeah.
what's something y'all wish girls would do more in SM?
Support each other.
Yes.
Like actually support each other. Don't fake smile at me and then you know behind the camera or you talking about me. Yo, no. And you're praying for my downfall. Don't do that.
because one thing about it, in every industry that you go in, like you always find women being bitter towards each other. Why, guys? We need to empower each other in these industries because the men are dominating this thing. We trying to come out, bro. We trying to be like, let's just support each other.
Especially as creatives.
Yeah.
I think we also need to decenter men because
Oh,
that's
and-
where
Yo.
that's where a lot of
No questions.
Say it again.
No, because I feel like
Actually, rewind that.
Say it again.
I think women in South Africa need to decenter men.
Yes.
Because I believe that that's where a lot of our hatred for each other
Yes.
also comes from,
Yeah.
coming from a place of male validation. So once we decenter men, we'll be able to center sisterhood
Yeah.
amongst ourselves.
Yeah, and it's crazy because men themselves hate us. So it's like,
Yo,
why,
men hate us.
why do we hate each other over there, bro?
It's not worth it.
What else? Oh, I think they also need to learn how to take criticism. Like, not everything is an attack. Because it's like you could, like, maybe tell a girl, oh, I think, I think sometimes we must just shut up. But, like, you know, when somebody makes, some people have a certain, let's say, like, makeup blindness. It's not really anybody's place to tell anyone how to do it. But, like, maybe if I say, oh, you know, I think you should do maybe your eyebrows a bit thinner or a bit thicker, somebody would just like take it as an attack and like, oh, you're being mean, this and that. And it's like, I'm just trying to help.
What screams girlhood to y'all?
This.
This? For real.
Holding my hand on our way to the bathroom.
Yes.
In the bathroom also.
So,
Just
yeah.
like the vibe is insane.
Making sure we're going to the bathroom together.
Together,
Not
yeah.
letting him go there alone. No.
Getting ready together.
Getting ready together, just like jamming.
That's way more fun than the outing.
Yeah. Trying to get the outfits to coordinate in a way.
Yes, coordinating outfits.
Love that.
Definitely. What's something y'all think all or most girls in SA can agree on? Niggas are trash. Real life.
Yes.
Niggas are trash, man.
And this isn't just from like a relation, no, like South African men are actually rubbish.
Yeah.
Like,
Men in general, though.
They're a bit scary.
A bit.
A bit scary. A lot scary.
She said a bit.
Do y'all have a favorite girl in SA, like maybe an influencer or?
Uncle Waffles. Love Uncle Waffles. That's my wife. That's our wife. Love Uncle Waffles. Oh, love
She's such
her.
a girl's girl.
Love Uncle Waffles. Do you guys know any other?
I was gonna say nobody, but since you said that, like,
Makes
I agree
sense.
100%.
It's very hard to pinpoint like a certain girl that you or woman that you like in SA, because sometimes like they perceive themselves as this person, and the next thing you see a scandal on Instagram, or, like they start getting involved in like fights on Twitter, in people's like on TikTok especially. Then you see this at their real selves. That's when you're like, oh, this is
Fine.
I'm gonna be real though. A lot of the like big influencers that are female in South Africa, they kind of have the same template. Like they all kind of look similar, have the same vibe, doing the same thing. Yeah, same aesthetic. So like it's very hard to find someone who's doing something completely different, who's unique, who's like, yeah, that's them. Because all of them kind of they look the same. Not to say they look the same, but they're doing the same thing.
Font.
Yeah, same font, different people. Yeah.
I'd say Dumi Maliko, Haiki.
The YouTuber.
Yeah,
She's cool.
She's a cool girl. Joanne, do you have one? No. Okay. The random bonus question: can y'all cook?
Yes. I love cooking.
Yeah.
For myself, not for
Can you cook?
That's real. If you men and you're watching this, I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook.
To survive a skill, I think everyone should know how to cook.
Yeah.
Definitely.
it's like how you can take us every day.
It's a basic life skill, dude.
Yeah. Especially niggas. Why you ever is why?
Learn how to
And
cook.
you have a boyfriend back at home.
Also,
We are
but also as a girl, why are you being somebody's race wife?
That's
With your own,
Exactly.
with your own groceries too, be ashamed.
I think that's one thing about like
Shame.
girls. We assume that we have the same mentality until like in situation it's just like
Yeah.
oh. So like
That's
you
not-
pro men like that. It's not to discriminate men, but like you're doing things that's just like you don't need to do that. Like free yourself from that mentality, or else it's gonna catch up to you, and you are gonna face some serious consequences.
Like, there's no problem with, doing stuff for your boyfriend, but that's a basic life skill. And I know damn well that Ray's husband is not your boyfriend.
Calling out people.
Hey, I saw,
No attachment.
I saw a lot of stuff this year, please.
Anyways, that's it. Thanks for tapping in.
Bye guys.
Smooches. Okay.
Okay.
I don't want to do a whole high.
Sorry.
Do I have to?
Yes,
Let's
you
just
have
start.
to.
Let's just
No,
start.
do the. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay.
Hey guys.
At this point, I'm wasting my battery. You gonna have to speak up.
That was cute.
Yeah.
You